What's up, guys? What a wild day today. We had fills all over the place, squirrely stocks, and my P&L was down 1,000, and then now I am up to uh, up $65 after fees, and before fees I'm up 184. So it's kind of like a stupid wild day. I kind of let the trading get out of hand in the first couple minutes, or not in the first couple minutes, but in the first like hour. And oh, there goes Xena. Darn it! I was waiting for it to move. Um, so I'm sitting here right now, up 65 after fees. That's basically it. Watching a couple stocks late in the day. The ones I'm watching right now are PDYN, IMG, and ZENA, Xena. IMG, I just think my data's slow right now. I feel like, yeah, it's like a couple seconds behind my, it's a couple seconds behind my computer clock, and I'm thinking that, but I checked it yesterday, and it said it was like on time, but it's either that or the fills are just really bad on IMG. It's a small float. I wasn't trading it with size really, but it was just wildly spinny, and then I sized down to account for that, and I didn't really. I think I lost a couple bucks on it, whatever. But actually, let me see here. IMG. All right, I'm up $86 on it. Whatever. But the biggest churn bucket today was this. I think it's called churn or clern or something. Clern. Let me see. Let me check my data. Curln. Yeah, curl. CULR. Cooler. It was this stock. This was the one I traded the most shares on. Let me see here. I think I have like 400K worth of shares. No, 300. Literally 300K on the dot worth of shares traded. My fees today are over $100. They're $120 or so. It's weird because I can't really tell how much I'm making on the year because of that. Because like I have a whole bunch of fees this year, and it really distorts the amount, and I don't really keep track of it otherwise, because it just measures the gross, not including the fees. This actually looks like it might curl up here late in the day, but we'll see. I'll leave it up just in case. So I gotta pick apart my day. It was a really, really wild and crazy morning, and I need to review with you. Okay, let's see. Must review. I'm just gonna read my notes right now. Must review all small size playing the main name. Okay, so yeah, that's what I did today. I was like, I'm not going to focus on these side names, even though they're a little bit easier for me. I'm going to focus on the main name and try to learn this. I was doing that, and I was down 500 very fast. And on top of that, I was playing with small size. I kind of just got in and out at the wrong spots. Wasn't really used to the action. So now today, I have an opportunity to jump in and review what I could have done better with a little bit of anchoring on how it actually felt in the moment, because I was actually trading with real money, with not very small size, but or very big size, but kind of just like smallish size. But it was volatile. You have to forgive me. I'm watching these stocks still. PDYN looks like it wants to go. It's kind of curling up here, but it's such low volume that I just don't trust it. I really just don't trust these with the low volume. See, it's like this. This is what it looks like. Ooh, maybe just do that, yeah. So it's such a low volume. Those just get messed around a whole bunch, and it's probably going to go. But I'm going to need it to consolidate up near the 70s a little bit before I take anything. And I'm going to need to see a little bit more volume. This one definitely needs volume, although it looks interesting. Really, really couple day mover here. Curl. It looks like it has room up to maybe 89. 89 is that last pivot there. Oh, come on. I can take that out. I don't think that will be a significant level anymore. Take that out. All right. So yeah, this is what's looking like today. So far, going late into the day. This pre-market level is whatever. I think it actually probably will expand up to the 90s or just below it, or at least test VWAP. But there's not enough volume to make me want to take it, and I'm not in the mood to be the only volume on a stock at the moment because I don't have that good of a read on the positioning. Actually, wait, yeah, let's just use this for now. Okay, so this is going to be the first way we break stuff down. VSEE. So my biggest loser today, actually, I think was Xena, but then I made some back. It was about the same as VSEE too. So Xena, I'm flat on. I kind of made it back late in the day, but this VSEE, I never got around to managing it well. I'm watching this. Not a good thing to watch. Yeah, this looks interesting. I don't know. These I have to take. Sorry for jumping around. There's still live trading going on. And I'm trying to do this recap and like review stuff. This looks like a stuffed candle, but if it gets above it, it's just going to evaporate. I guess I'd have to anticipate it. Maybe right here. Bop, 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 bop. Yeah. Yeah, just this one is very volatile for the price range. Very volatile. I think it's actually probably going to go. Yeah, I was getting filled on the bids too on this. But I'm sketched out for real. This is not what I like to see, but it's still creeping higher. This is a testy position here because I could lose 200 really quick, especially with 1,800 shares queued up. I think I'll just downsize to 1,000. I don't want to lose my day. I'm okay to be like flat, but I don't want to be negative again. It's just annoying. Especially on this where like I'm kind of already cautious about it. I'm like, and if I like override the caution on it, I just don't think it's worth it because the fills were just so bad on this. Like sometimes when the fills are like on my side, I'll keep trading, but the fills are just, I have to be very tricky with these because the algorithms are very, very responsive. And that's been the theme today. The algorithms, whether it's they just have the trap set ahead of time or whether they're responding to my shares, it really just seems like they have a beat on me today. And there we go with PDYN making moves here. Let's see, get this down to 2 decimals. Is this just going to evaporate? I mean, I have super small size, so it's not a big deal. But let's see if it goes for 75 here. Yeah, it looks like it's just collecting souls. I'd rather take this for a break of 70. Yeah, look at that. It's getting a lot of volume now. There's the volume. Hmm. Yeah. Yep. It was like kind of like a fake 1 minute setup. The volume was increasing as it was going down. I didn't trust it because of that. And it was also too high relative to this bar, and this bar should have been reversed, right? Or this green candle should have been reversed. That volume was kind of too high for the move that it made, and it was just after this kind of stuffed candle. I just didn't like it. It's just in a consolidation zone, basically, is all I'm saying. Just a more complex way of saying it's not breaking out right now. It's coming into this level 1.7 where it tried multiple times. I want to see it kind of fail a little bit here and then come back around before I take it again. Although if it flips up and hits like 168, 170, it might be good. Now this one coming into the close of the 5 minute, actually both of these coming into the close of the 5 minute will be kind of interesting to watch. And I'm just gonna put this curl stock up while we go over stuff. Cold. All right. Yeah. See, this is some garbage volume. I mean, not garbage is. It's just not something you trade. You don't like. This is like fake out volume at the moment. It could evaporate up, but it's like the risk is so high, and like the volume is just saying to me basically that it's going to maintain range bound, and so like that would be a short in my book if I took shorts, which I don't. This is maybe going to be a halt down. We'll see. That's a 5 minute candle. If I've ever seen a stuffing 5 minute candle, this, yeah, I don't know. All right, I'm back. So yeah, now if it starts stepping up, now I think this would be the time to take it. But I'm watching it. It still could do the flip here, but it's not. I got to give it some time. Just got to give it some time here. Which is going to mean it's going to be at the high when I take it, but that's a pretty bearish signal at the moment. It's just, I'm just annoyed. Fuck, there we go. Come on, come back down now. Yeah, none of this like is very impressive. It all looks like a trap. I'm shell shocked. I'm pessimistic, and it's gonna go because I'm pessimistic and shell shocked because that's usually how it goes. That's the motto of the market. Like whenever I'm just done with this, it's ready to go. Which I'm trying to play that right now. But if this, that's kind of like a lower high right there. Yeah, I want to see it unwind now. This I still want it to go, but I'm just gonna wait till it gets above 75. I don't care. Ugh, it's not letting me do my review. All right, so VSEE. Damn it. Ah, that's so annoying. I missed it. Oh, now it's pushing. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This thing's really. It's got a little potential here. It's got a little potential. Or it could just reverse on that. But that was what I was looking at. And it kind of stabbed the shorts, which is interesting. Let's see if it holds up here. Let's see what I can make of it, if anything. Ooh. Ooh. Are shorts back emboldened? Are they back in the driver's seat? I don't know. What's it gonna be? It's not really making much more of a high right here. It's kind of like a peek and die. Okay. Yeah, I hate these. I hate these so bad. Yeah, wild little boys. Wild boys. Come on down. That's me putting an order out. It didn't get filled, which I'm okay with because it's now down to the 70s. Now it's pushing low. Now it looks like it wants to, maybe halt down. We'll see. We'll see. Can't take it here. Can't take that. I can't take that dip. I just can't. I can't do it. I can't bring myself to do it. Could have been profitable, but I just can't bring myself to do it. Because if it halts down, then it's just like, and this is halted multiple times. It's a wild boy. Oh, there's the 200 days. Is that what it's going for? Why am I so dumb? All right, so now we got this. This has to reclaim this candle, and unfortunately, I'm not anticipating it because I don't trust it. I don't trust my read on it. Really, is what I'm saying. Like some people are really good at reading these. Right now, I'm just not trusting it. Oh, there we go. Someone's taking some profit up here. Hmm. Okay. One more try. All right, VSEE was popping up kind of mid-morning, 7:05. 7, actually really 6 to 7. This was sort of a move here, but then it really started to open up right there. I think this was a halt at 3. And they did it. I got it at this point. So I got it as it was coming down here, and then I really wanted it for the break of 3. I saw this. I wanted it on the break of 3 here. I got it at 95 and got shook out with 1,800 shares. And we're going to watch the video of that. And then it's just like I tried a couple times because it kept popping up to my last buy price. And it was just like the fake out was ridiculously hardcore. And, you know, I should have blah, 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 known better, did better. And I just didn't manage my risk as well as I like to, didn't protect what I could have protected. This is just a stupid place now. Now it's just spinning. Now I'm talking about IMG, this one right here. Oh, I want to get into the video, but I can't because all this stuff is potentially moving. It's just a very busy time. Actually, I might just pause this review and trade for a second. So or I'll just have it open and then I can even review my review with all the live trades here. Yeah. That needs to die, and then this needs to go. Xena needs to go now. Xena needs to go. Xena needs to go. Xena needs to go. There we go, Xena. Let's see it. Okay. Xena. All right, I'll put another alert up there, and then I think I'm gonna leave this one, even though it's probably gonna go. I just don't have faith in doing it. And then I'm gonna get out my video log here. Let's review this shit. Alright. So this was Xena popping up overnight. I kind of knew that it was going to be a gap fade. I had the feeling. But my thoughts were just going to be to capture a little dips. Fuck. Sorry, guys. I feel like it's just baiting me in. Baiting me, baiting me, baiting me. Yeah, it's not. It's probably going to go to 89. But whatever. Okay. So this is coming into the open here. And I'm looking for, oh no, not looking for anything. Huh. Damn. I really messed that up. So for those of you at home paying attention, it comes in here, there's a little peak higher basically. Oh, I don't give it enough space. And the right amount of space would have been probably the length of this candle here. So down to 11:15-ish. And that's hindsight, but whatever. So let's see it here. I was early, took a big loss, get back in thinking it's going to bounce and get smoked. And then I'm just out here for a small win. So it was minus, baby plus. Oh, stupid. And then Toyo starts popping up. I'm like, ooh, maybe I'll do this. But no, it was wild. I was like, no, I'm going to stick on the main name. And I did good sticking on the main name. I just didn't trade it well. So trading it well, what would it have looked like? Slowing down. Okay, only 2 trades per 1 minute candle. Max. And that'll give me a little bit of time to be coherent. So this KULR was like popping up out of nowhere, doing a little curl. I get in for a breakout. I get back out. Okay, so I'm down 350 on Xena. I don't think I trade it anymore until later in the day. I make money on curl, but it wasn't a big amount. I was up 250, 300 on it. Then UAVS comes along. All right, so I gotta keep track of this shit. Sorry, give me a sec. Hey, I did not know that was happening. Hmm. That was annoying because I had a feeling it was going to that number. I just didn't stick with it. Chickened out too early. Get me out of there. Damn it. Right now it's the close of the hour. I didn't want to be in there. Whoa. Come on, baby. Give me 11. Give me 11, baby. Damn it, that was a shit, Phil. Bye-bye. Don't. Damn it. I was in at such a good price, and then it didn't. Ah, and then it bounces. Fuck me. Ooh! Stupid. Stupid. So stupid. Ah, I got shaken out on that. Well. Ugh. Come on, baby. I thought it was gonna halt down. That was just what it was. Huh. Hmm. Well, now I'm officially up $10, and this stock is stupid. I was up a good amount, I was right, and then I gave it all back. And when I say a good amount, it was like a good amount for the share size. So now I'm down 87 on this dumb Xena. So this is part of the review. Yep, it's part of the review. Up $10 is still up $10. I did not go red. I was in a good dip. I thought it was gonna pop back up to 10. I put an order out when it popped up to 95, and I think the order affected the market. Or if I didn't get out, like I could have got out, I guess break even, but I was holding to see if it curled, and I got shook out at the low, which happens on these dips. Still, I kind of think that it responds to my orders, but I could just be buying too early, which is okay. Not the best, but whatever. This is gonna be like the longest freaking review ever. PDYN, what do we got here? See, now PDYN is curling. All right. I'll leave another alert. All right. So back to the review. Oh, when I just get sucked up by fucking market makers. Freaking market makers. Market makers. Those algorithm market makers. All right, so UAVS was popping up. It was halting. Let me see what I did wrong here. Okay, first, I can't do that. Open was Xena minus 305, and then now 940 comes along. 935 to 40 is KULR plus 200. And then we have UAVS. When does that open? This doesn't open. Huh. Yeah, I get in and I make that. Xena opens, doesn't do anything crazy. UAVS. Now I don't know what am I watching here. So I'm down to flat. UAVS opens low. I don't take it. Probably could have taken that. I keep trying to play CULR into 90 for the break of 90. And I think so UAVS, I should have been playing there if I was going to play that, but I was actually more interested in CULR. UAVS really opens up. I mean, actually, it doesn't. It kind of opens up into ascending resistance. Okay, and this dip is what I take. Interesting. I'm like, okay, so this was my point, was that I felt like this was the main stock, and so I switched over to it. So it's dipping here. Wow, did you see that? It just like took my order and flipped it. All right, I think it's moving back up. Okay, one of the things I could have noticed here was that it had kind of totally retraced this candle. And I didn't get in at the lows. I was too chicken to do that. This was a high volume kind of stuffing candle where just sellers are stuffing the longs. And I got in on an uptick. And there's a seller immediately at 50. I should have cut it right there. And then I take a decent loss right here. I mean, it was 25-cent loss, 30-cent loss actually. So it was $100. And I get right back in. I get right back out. But there was another $30. And it just like, it signaled high for a second. And I don't think I was used to the volatility. I thought it was going to like have support like in the lower price names, because the percentages, the relative percentages would be much tighter. Like, for example, someone might place an order like 3 pennies down or 2 pennies down, and it will kind of contain the momentum like that. Whereas here it's like 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents. And that's where the orders are placed. And so I did not, okay, so notes on $7 UAVS. I had my expectations of volatility too tight. Got back in too many times and too close. Playing after a stuffing. 5 minute. Slash below halt level. Huh. See what did work though. Let's see what did work on this. This kind of double bottom here off 706 looks like it worked. I don't know if it showed it. Yeah, it didn't really print down there. Printed at 17 or so. That would have been hard to get in, but then that bounced a little bit off of the lows there. I'm just trying to find ways I can analyze this sheet. This is such an annoying stock. These are all annoying stocks. Annoying, 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 annoying. Why are you still alive? Just go away. Okay. Okay, so so these two problems back to back were $500. So because 300 and 150. Actually, it ends up being more. Let's keep watching. Okay, so I had a lot of trades here. Zena's moving now. Give me a second. I don't like you. I don't think it's going to go. got that big sell order right here at 10. If you see, there it is. There's the move. Now it gets to sell off from here. So yeah, there's a big sell. There's a sell order. Oh, this one's killing too. Oh my gosh. Alright, there's a... Jesus. Of course. Now I want to see it haul down. Just because I don't like it. That's annoying. This one I think is going to sell though. I don't think it's going to spike up. Could be wrong though. Could be wrong. But it's looking like I'm right. Come on, a little lower. There's people loading into this, but I don't think they're going to have what they want. I don't think that order at 85 is going to get out of profit either. Like they're going to get shaken out here. Probably going to hit 9.5 before it goes down. And why would you want to have it? Or before it goes up? Probably. Interesting. More interesting and more interesting. It's not a lot of volume. Back at the 20 level? Ugh. I just feel like I'm not reading. I feel like I'm not reading a rainbow. Alright, is this the reversal now? Or is it going to hold? Did I just go red on this stupid thing? Alright, but I definitely did just go red. Minus $22 now. Not looking. Down 30. This thing's so wild. The 200 day is still above 2. What am I going to do here with this? I'm not seeing it well. Hmm. Hey, there that goes. All right, now I can just focus on Xena. Down 50. Yeah, now I am kind of just trading because it's the last half hour. I don't know. Down $50. It's annoying. I was up. I mean, $50 is a green day basically after being down 1,000, but I'm just annoyed because it was up $110. Yeah. I gotta let that play out. Gotta let that play out a little bit too. Fuck. Ah, you little scheisse. Hmm. Well, hmm, I'm just going a little batshit right now. Okay. I feel like Xena's going to trap me if I keep trading it. I feel like IMG, I'm going to misplay it even though I have the right idea. And I still want to keep playing. There you are. Balls. Oh boy. This thing is wild. These stocks are just bonkers right now. All right, I'm down $52. I don't know what I'm doing right now. I'm not studying. I should be studying. It's 10 minutes left. This thing should have went already. This thing should have went already. They are not going. Selfie. Looks like shorts win the day. It's 12 minutes left still. Fuck. I feel like I'm getting baited into buying, and then I'm gonna miss the actual buy, which is okay. So I want this to 2. I don't know if it will, but I want it to go there. All right, G to 2. Come on, baby. I chickened out on that. I had an okay position. I don't know if it's going to go, but it's building like it wants to. Well, looks like I cut it at the right spot. A lot of orders today. Almost 400 orders. Jesus. Oh. Oh, you're so dumb, Xena. Go away. Gonna make it to 11. Now I'm watching like 3 stocks here. Alright. Fuck you. Down $110 now. That was an accidental double click. Alright. 132. Okay. Back down to only down 55. What a wild day. Okay. Market's closed. I'm annoyed. And that's okay. IMG is a dumb name. Okay. So now to finish off this freaking review. KULR plus 200 to flat. Taking breakouts. I think, right? Or how does it work? It's always not as simple as it seems. So I actually missed that. I should have been in maybe 88 would have been a decent spot. Maybe not. Maybe it would have just flipped. The market just flipped me because that's how it plays. Sorry for the long rambling video, guys. What else happens here? Oh, it goes all the way up to this. So I'm down 500 at this point. Where do I make it back? Oh, Foxo, I make it back. Interesting. So let me see here. I'm flat on Clear, even though I was up 300 on it. And then Foxo, middle of the day. What was the situation where I kept trying to position for $1. But I really lost it. Where did I lose most of it? Yeah, 244 there still. What happens here? Why did I give that back? Okay, so I had one trade, one loss here. Where do I take it in? What did I see? Okay. Oh, okay. So here I try to position. It's actually a breakdown. Try to position for a flag. Okay, that's actually 3 trades maybe. So creeps lower. Try to get back in right there. 4 trades? Oh boy. And then I try to get back in there. But there's no one. Okay, so now that's 3 trades in, and I'm down almost 100 from the highs. Gonna try one more at the trend line. Trend line and the double bottom. Oh no, 5 trades. Okay, so there's a new minute here. I'm thinking, but the volume's not right. That's what I didn't really see. And then the volume here isn't right either. Yeah, it's just too high. It's like too high, and it's wicky all the way down, and it's kind of like this is the standalone buy candle. No one else is coming in to buy it, it feels like. All right, so now 5 trades in a minute. Candle. Creep lower. And then what do I do here? Buy one more, looking for that flip. It's not happening. Should have cut it right there. It's hesitating. But I'm actually feeling cozy in here. And then it's down below. Should have cut it there. Cut it. I don't know. 6 trades? Just back to back to back to back to back. That actually looked like it was going. Interesting. Ugh. It's like 10 times traded. Yeah. And then now, what was that? What was that? What was that? What was that? So I'm just flat, and being flat on that one didn't offset my losses like being up 300 did. Give me a second here. All right. Playing against volume profile. Okay, I should have stopped here. Now what happens after this? Playing upticks. My handwriting is so messy today. Very similar to my trading. All right, then this VC was kind of curling around here. If we keep trading KULR, really just racking up fees. That's all I was. Wasn't even making any profit. It was below 20. I was like, okay. And what happens here? So VC has some very weird action. Whoa. It's 5 million share flow. VC is the next one. So basically 10. All right, now this was the halt open, and it only sold. Keeping an eye on Fox. So, and then okay, so now I'm looking at this, and this is what I see. I'm like, I kind of try to recover there. Let's see what happens here. It hasn't had a bounce out of this halt, really. I mean, kind of, but not really. Kind of had one right here to 3.2, then up to 3.10. I got it. Okay, fill right there. Feeling kind of comfy right here. And it's pausing, too. And I cut it at a good point, but I get back in. Because I think it's going to go. Why do I get back in? Actually, that's not the question. Whoa. So there was a pretty strong sell program on this one. At this point, I'm down 700. $840 now. 860. Over 900 with fees. And I just keep trading it. Because I know it's going to bounce. I just don't know when. It's descending volume here. I'm like, come on, you got to bounce at some point. And then now it's the first green candle, and I'm not mentally positioned for it, as in I'm not ready for it to go. I've already lost 300, and I'm just like, what am I gonna do? Down 900, and it was starting to look like last Friday. Let me just close out my positions here. All right, and now there's the first green candle. And this should have been held right there. Give it space probably down to 75. Now I'm looking for 3. Give me 3. Come on, baby. Kind of just kept getting milked here. I would buy, it would go down lower. But where would I buy? I would buy on upticks, right? at this point I was sort of tilted, not fully tilted, but I was like, why isn't this working? And I just kept pressing buttons. And I think it actually does pop up to 3, but I think I miss it. Yeah, there's the 3 pop. Does this cute little consolidation right here. Cute little candle, little sideways candle. Mm. Ooh, that was actually pretty good patience. Hmm. I think I was just off. The action doesn't seem too misunderstandable, and I was still playing it okay. I just kept taking stop out after stop out after stop out. Even though they were small, it was just really, really expensive. And then the 5 minutes closing right here. Wow. Even now, every trade that I think I should be taking, I shouldn't be taking. But then when it goes, it explodes, but there's just no time to get in after it goes because it's already like you have like a split second to get in, and like you have risk of slippage. Okay, but here, where would you get in for the break of 3? It's a nice 5-minute candle. Maybe a 93, 92 dip. Maybe right there, buck. So holding, probably at 94. Probably got a bad fill. Can I get to 20? Boom. See, that would have been a great trade, and that would have put me back to break even on the name. And I think that's what it basically is, that I was getting in where most traders were getting in, except there was someone selling into that. But then when 3 broke, all of that kind of pent up momentum spun out all at once, and it kind of like would have been equivalent to all the stop outs I took if I would have taken that. What this is 1025 VC. See, break of 3. Yeah, as annoying as that is, it's okay. And that happens. I'll have to go back and look at that later. I just want to get this done. PYDN haul. And this just kept moving up. All right, let's fast forward to the whole open. What can I do? I actually got slippage on this a lot later in the day. I'll get filled like 4 cents higher. Still made money on it, but it was annoying on the PDYN. Some of that's earlier in this video. I'm not going to go over that, but this is already a 2-hour long review video, which is actually pretty good. You know, a lot of it was trading, but I also do have to review this. Where does this dip end? This little gap, maybe? Buy right there. So, buy. No. So, buy. Now I'm just getting rinsed. Okay. Take a beat. Let it close red. There it is. Buy. So, alright, so what do I do here again? I don't buy right there. That's what I don't do because it's creeping lower. And then the dip happens right here. So if I would have bought right there, under 50. Stop out, break even. Maybe just not trade after that. Till I get a candle. Okay, so now yeah, and then I just slowly piece my way back together, up $1,000 or to flat, from down $1,000. That's all. That was the day. Thanks for hanging out with me. I think tomorrow I'm gonna keep it to just 2 trades, a 1-minute candle. Yeah, I think that's my goal tomorrow. Like 2 trades per 1-minute candle. All right, peace out. That was my 2-hour video. Have a great day, guys.